Looking to reduce the amount of waste you produce by up to a third?
Take a look at composting.
It's not just for keen gardeners.
It's a great way to deal with all kinds of waste from around the home.
A lot of the waste from your kitchen will decompose easily and naturally in a compost bin.
Less waste means less rubbish to bag up and put out for collection.
All you need to get started is a compost bin, and most local authorities provide these at a discount.
And somewhere to put it.
The bin can go anywhere, but if it's convenient and easily accessible from the kitchen, it's more likely to get used.
It's best situated on top of soil so that worms and creepy crawlies
That's a technical term.
can find it easily.
Your compost bin needs a mixture of things to work properly.
These are called slow rotters.
And fast rotters.
Is that another technical term?
Fast rotters, as the name suggests, rot down quickly.
Slow rotters tend to be drier, so they compost more slowly.
It's a good idea to have a mixture of these two.
Fast rotters are things like coffee grounds, grass cuttings and fruit peel.
Although they rot quickly, they can become compacted and wet, so mixing them with slow rotters should prevent the compost becoming slimy and smelly.
Slow rotters, such things as leaves, wood shavings and eggshells, give the compost some texture and create air pockets throughout the heap.
Deep in the heart of your compost bin, all this biodegradable waste is broken down
With the aid of insects, bugs and microorganisms.
into convenient, free compost that you can put on the garden.